Hey, we are in Blender, we can see, and today we are going to cover navigating in Blender. Okay, for rotation we can click for this viewpoint, middle of mouse we can click middle of mouse. We can see this is a cube, and then for zoom in and zoom out we can just scroll the middle of mouse. 3 point mouse we can use. Okay, this we can zoom in and zoom out by scrolling down and scrolling down, up and down. We can do this. For sliding, okay, for positional movement we can use shift plus middle mouse. Okay, we can here we can moving this window interface. So this one is ein. Okay, for okay, look here, we can was like this. And for grab we can just press GK. Okay, then we can look at here, we can move along the x direction, along the y direction, along the z direction, everywhere whatever you want. To keep here, just you click the left side of mouse. For to save this place, to keep here just like this, I click on left side of my mouse and it stayed here. For Windows, just you can click the Ctrl plus G for Mac. Okay, Ctrl plus G for Mac. For window, I press G and we can see it moves along the. Okay, I can keep one. I want to keep this one in here, and we can see here in the right side, just we can here we are in the S direction. We can see XYZ direction. This is the location, and I'm going to change this location. I'm again going to press G. You can see here. You can see here the direction, XY direction, YZ along the these directions are changing accordingly to as I moving. Okay, I want to keep this place here, this cube is here. And for rotation, just press R key, and yeah, it is rotating. You can see here rotation in this. Just I'm going to keep here. And for double arc toggle, you can press again R key for toggle. For toggling, I can keep here. R for rotation, it is rotating right now, and if I again press the R button, then it's toggling, and this key is toggling. Okay, I want to keep Control plus Z. I want to keep as it is. Okay, we can press the middle of mouse, and we can change this interface like this. Okay, but I want to still like this. For scale, I just press yes. We can see the scales and dimensions. You can see here, just click left, and I want to keep this like this. Okay, this is the same. for scale को लागि for scale we can press S key. For rotate we can press R, and for position, for movement we can just press G key up in the keyboard. Okay, we again I want to just move along the X direction. Just press G and press X button. We can see it is moving along the only X direction. Okay, it is moving only along the X direction. And again I press Y. For Y direction it is moving like Y direction, and I press again Z, and it is moving along the Z direction. From here we can see that locations and its directions. For R, I'm gonna rotation and X, rotate along the X directions, and Y, rotate only one direction, and Z, rotate along only the Z direction. This is the navigation in Blender. Again we are going to press the button G, we can hear, and then shift and X, and it moves along the, you can see. Okay, this is the interface of navigation, and it is the shortcut method, and we can use the key for shortcuts. And same as is like, just press, you can see, just press like this. This is the cutter, this is the move, this is the rotate, this is the scale, this is the transform, and it is the lengthy method, but we can press the just key. This is the short method, and this is the navigation in Blender.